This is what you call authentic Jamaica country life. Welcome to venvenmusic and country life. Thank you for joining. Today it's gonna be off the chain. Today, you've never heard of this. Papaya fries, people. You have to stay tuned, you have to stay connected to see this one. Yes, so this is how we will make our fries. Yummy, delicious, and nice, and you will love it. Yeah. So when you eat up the papaya, when you see the skin get brighter, when you eat up the papaya, your stomach will say thank you. Yeah. So if you have diabetes, arthritis, infection, no bother, Bexman, because when you eat up the papaya, when you see the skin get brighter, when you eat up the papaya, your stomach will say thank you. Yeah. Your stomach will say thank you. Yes, my people, so after getting the papaya peeled, we will then cut it into long strips, my people. Yes. Alright, so this is how we do it. Yeah. You cut it into long strips, and this is gonna be really good. To continue making, we will now grate the onion. Alright, people? Yes, we will grate the onion for you. Yes. And you see right there, we're getting the juice, my people. Yeah, that is what we need. Yes, this is gonna be really good, my people. Really flavorful. Yes, my people, so we're finished grating the onion, and then we will now grate the garlic. Then we move on to the pepper, my people. Yes. So we also grate the pepper. Then you would want to take a little water, yes, and remove the mixture from the grater. Not a lot of water, my people, just a little to get it off, yes. And here you have the mixture, my people, with the onion, the garlic, and the pepper. Really nice mixture right here, my people. And then we are going to add the turmeric. Yes, as you can see right here, the turmeric, my people. Yes. And then we will add the millet flour to it as well. So here we have the mixture, my people. Yes. And you will just mix this together. So in this mixture, we have the grated onions, the pepper, yes, the salt, also the turmeric. Oh yes. And 1 tablespoon of white flour and 1 tablespoon of millet flour as well. So here we have it, my people. The papaya strips and the dip. Yes, my people. So this is how we're going to do it. Before you cover the strips in the dip, you would add a little extra salt to the papaya strips. Alright, people? Yes, and we are ready to fry. Yes, and we are using coconut oil, my people. Yes. So we take the strips and then we put it in and then we coat. Alright, people, but you can easily just use your hands for it. Just coat it with it This is really good, really awesome country lifestyle right here. And then you just coat it within, coat it in the mixture. Yeah. And as you can hear that the pot is ready. The oil is ready, my people. Yeah. So this is how we do it now. Make sure that the oil is well hot and you will just put it in. So we're gonna turn them, my people. Oh yes. Real nice. Ooh. Yes, my people. Yeah, and as you can see, real papaya fries done. Awesome, good taste in the real Jamaica country life. As you can see, people, really gummy, yummy, and nice. Yeah, papaya fries. So you should try this recipe. Thank you for joining today. Stay tuned, stay connected for the next video.